Well, boys, if your vehicle is making this noise, you need to pull over as soon as possible. And the reason for that is most likely it is a belt that is going bad and is about to break. And if it breaks, your vehicle can overheat very quickly because your water pump is not turning anymore. Now, the parts stores show two different belts for my truck, so you need the belt intact on some vehicles so you can compare it to these belts and figure out which one you need. So let's take this air intake tubing off so we can see down here. 5/16 we'll pull this cover off. And now we'll pop this sensor off. You have to push in this tab that's right there underneath my finger, and then this gray piece will pull out. Then just push in on this tab and pull out. Not on the wiring, on the plastic. Now we can undo the two hose clamps. This is 5/16. Now we can pull it off. Maybe. Let's go over here to this side. These things are stubborn sometimes. Old truck only has 270,000 miles on it. Okay, I think we got it now. There it is. Okay, so this pulley right down here, this is the belt tensioner. Okay, so this is going to be a 5/8, and you can use a wrench or a ratchet for this, and you're going to go clockwise until it stops. And you'll see the pulley move, and it'll take the tension off the belt. Also, sometimes it's hard to find the belt diagram, so just take a mental note of where the belt goes, because sometimes it's hard to remember. On mine, it starts over here at the belt tensioner, then it goes down to the bottom to the crankshaft, and then it snakes up above to the water pump, goes back down to the power steering pump, goes up to the alternator, goes over to this idler pulley, and then over here to my belt tensioner. So this belt is 92.3 inches, and this one is 93.47 inches, so they're really close. So normally you can pick up your belts and do like I'm doing, and that will kind of give you an idea of the belt you have is correct. These are so close, I think I'm going to cut this one and measure it. So it comes out to about 92.5. So we're going to go with the smaller belt. Now on most vehicles, you're going to start with that bottom pulley, the crankshaft, and then make sure you hold tension on it once you got it around that, and then kind of go from there and work your way up. And also make sure you check your pulleys before putting the belt on, especially idler pulleys, because sometimes they'll be bad. This one sounds all right. You'll know it when you spin it, and you can hear the bearings in there. Now the pulley on the tensioner, it doesn't sound good. Hear that? It should be quiet, it should be smooth. It's got a little bit of play in it too, they need to be tight. The new part will probably just be the whole tensioner. But we're gonna get the belt on first. And there it is. It's just the reverse of what we did a while ago, basically. But the same goes for everything else. Sounds good, and we'll get that idler pulley replaced.